Good morning, it's Joy from your AI Wizards. And this morning I wanted to talk about cohorts. I have been reading and have read, I'm rereading Gary Vee's book, Day Trading Attention. And one of the first things he brought up was cohorts. And cohorts are people you're trying to market to. Well, this is where AI can help. So you see my screen scrolling because I want to identify the cohorts that I want to reach out to. So I opened your AI business store this week, and there's certain industries that I'm focusing on: auto insurance, accountants, personal injury attorneys, mortgage brokers, health insurance agents, and real estate agents. But within those industries, there's specific cohorts that I need to address, meaning my social media presence needs to address specific cohorts within those industries. And this is where AI can really help. So I brought up this conversation a few couple of weeks ago and I couldn't find it this morning. So just as a little tip, I asked ChatGPT to retrieve or recreate the conversation that I had that I couldn't find. So it did, of course, and it started with ChatGPT says, "Sure, I'll recreate the relevant details from our conversation about creating cohorts for the different industries you target. Here it goes." Okay, so within the auto insurance industry, this is what it brought up: high risk drivers, demographics, younger drivers, age 16 to 25, drivers with recent accidents or traffic violations, interests, defensive driving courses or maintenance, driving safety tips, platform, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So just by asking to identify cohorts within a specific industry, this is what ChatGPT came up with. Second, new car owners. Same thing: demographic, interest, platforms, families, commuters, senior drivers. So my social media is going to be around these cohorts within the auto insurance industry. So I would take the first point, high risk drivers, and I would create 20 posts for Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Go through it, edit it, add images, then new car owners, then families. This is the power of AI. You don't have to spend a lot of time trying to figure out who you want to market to. Leverage AI to define the cohort, define the platform, give you ideas on what to post and how to post. Game changer. Then it goes on to mortgage brokers. The cohorts between within this industry: first time homebuyers, real estate investors, homeowners refinancing, veterans and military personnel, and retirees. Again, my social media will be around these different topics within my social media strategy. But then here's where the power comes in: is after you post. So you create your cohorts, you create your postings. After you post, then you look at your analytics and you see what kind of content is radiating with your audience or your potential clients. Then after that, more content should be posted on these specific areas. Then after that, you can create an ad. So many people create ads thinking it's the be all end all. But how do you know what people want to see if you don't push out a bunch of organic traffic? Gary Vee talks about this in depth, and I just incorporated AI into it because it saves so much time and work, and it really kind of directs your path on what kind of social media you should be putting out there on these different cohorts. Um, this is completely going to change how I post. So if you're interested in learning more, please reach out to me, Joy at your AI Wizards or joy at mpmarketinggroup.com, because I love having these conversations and I love getting questions, because this is the power of AI. It allows you to not stress about who am I reaching out to. It allows you to really focus in on a certain area instead of just throwing out general stuff. If you know your audience or who you want to reach are new car owners or families that have multiple drivers in the household or senior drivers, then you know um, what their interest is and what platform you should be posting on. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you next time.